Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Sea Ray's 2019 270 Sun Deck with an outboard. Let's start with the hull. It's got a beautiful new color scheme this year. In 2019, the Sea Ray blue, and then it's got the lighter horizon color as well. And as we move to the back of the boat, it's powered by the Mercury Verado with the 300. Brand new engine from this year, quieter, less vibration, fuel efficient, phenomenal engine. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270 Sun Deck. Let's start at the back of the boat. Really large sun pad on the back, 4 adults comfortably in the back, comfortable seating, and huge storage underneath. This one on the port side goes all the way up into this area here for toys and that kind of thing. Nice seating here. This piece, actually, this will convert into a lounger right here. Does the same thing on starboard side as well. The captain's seat converts to a lounger here. There's a cooler underneath. You've got a large Simrad touchscreen, really, really nice. They just started putting the bigger ones on, really nice feature. Nice head inside. It's got the vacuum flush head. It's got a faucet. It's got a window, plenty of room, great head, does the job nicely. Storage underneath here, storage underneath the seats, and you finish off with the recessed windlass, which is very nice as well. It's got a collapsible tower on it. It has pretty much everything you need to have a great time on the water, especially the Gulf. So if you've got any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194. And if you'd like to see any other videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.